Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks, and a great week. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about taking action, not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 14, NASDAQ up 13, S&P's up 5.5, gold contract down $8.10, trading at $15.66 an ounce. You have silver up 15 cents, $17.63 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 26 cents, $49.83 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year down 10 ticks, trading 131.01. The 30-year down 21 at 162.16. And King Dollar. King Dollar off 99 ticks, trading 98.733. The euro is at 109. The yen is at 109.75, and the pound is at 129 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Let's go over to the future market first. We'll take a look at the futures. You got S&Ps went to an all-time high out here today. Futures were traded to a high of 33.74. Right now, we are 18 points off of that. You're at 33.57. And the way this is shaking out, this market, bottom line, is going to get interesting because it wants to sell off coming into the close. Right now, what we're doing, if you happen to be watching Tiger TV, you're going to see we're breaking this swing point. We're breaking it with volume on a 10-minute basis. So if I took a small A point on this, it's 33.69. Your B point out here is 33.57. So you get $12. That's saying you get a price projection out here of 33.51, and we're at 55 right now. So 51's coming at you, you know, and what this is also going to do is going to break the full consolidation that we've been in all day out here. NQs, this is the NQs actually started this baby down. We take a look at the NQs. The high out here in the NQs today was 96.09. Bottom line is that you're off 90 points right now, and this also just took out another B point. So let me see. The A point on this is 95.92. Your B point is 95.24. So you're talking about 53 points. That's going to get you down to 9,500 flat. And right now we're at 95.16. Dow Industrials out here. What do you have with the Dow? Dow Industrials hit an all-time high out here today, 29,415. And right now we are about 175 points off of that high. Very unusual, folks. The paint store must have reopened and they get some red paint, which we haven't seen in a long period of time. Gold contract down $8.10, trading at $15.66. We go take a look at this gold market out here. GC, we're in the April contract, so we're talking about the GCJO, 218,000 contracts. You're down right now $7. You've rejected lower price at $15.65. You're at $15.77. This baby wants higher price. It's going to be interesting watching this shake out. So what we're doing right now, we're coming into 286,000 contracts, and we only get 218. This will do it about 230 or something. Bottom line is that you did reject lower price, and I expect that's going to go topside once again. Why? Because what you're going to see out here, as gold also rejected lower price, you're going to have the 10-year as well as the 30-year rejecting lower price also. Light volume on the pullback. These continue to want higher price, lower yield. Pretty amazing, no doubt about that. The 10-year right now is yielding 1.583. And we get over and we take a look at King Dollar. What you're going to see with King Dollar out here, this was absolutely a Bud Rolf's classic, coming all the way up to the under the trend line when it had broken down the first week of December. That trend had been in place for quite some time, meaning from February of 2018 till December of 2019, almost into 2020. It had been in an uptrend. It broke that uptrend, had volume behind the move, had conviction behind the move. We don't have volume inside the dollar index. Well, the one I'm using, the cash index anyway. Bottom line is that the top of that trend that it's trying to get back into was 99,436, and we made it today to 98,952. We'll see whether we're finished done on the upside of trying to get back into that higher range or not. We go take a look at the some of the higher. Well, actually, let's go inside the Index 100 because this is the baby that's leading. It led us up for a long period of time. Bottom line, the chip stocks led the NDX 100 up. It led the NASDAQ Composite up. All of the above. We take a look at the strength versus the weakness. T-Mobile's the big mover out here today. That they're going to merge with Sprint. That's up 11.5%. You get Liberty up 5.3%, and Xilinx is up 5%. Taken away from it, Facebook down 2.6%. Microsoft up 2.5%. Pfizer down 1.9%, and Biogen off 1.7%. Inside the Dow Industrials, what do you got inside the Dow Industrials? Bottom line inside the Dow Industrials, strength versus the weakness out here. Whoops, where is she? Wrong one. Okay, let's go inside that one. Strength versus the weakness. Here we go. So inside the Dow Industrials, you got Microsoft putting a negative 33 points. Visa 14, Apple 13, Disney 12. You get some decent numbers out here. I expect you're going to see a little acceleration on the way down. And news-wise, folks, okay, this is about as wild as you get. So you had Roger Stone and the Justice Department turning around yesterday saying, bottom line is that they thought 8 to 9 years was applicable for his sentence. And you got Trump getting in the middle of it last night. The Justice Department got in the middle of it this morning. And guess what? Just about 2 minutes ago, you had the prosecutor resign. So the bottom line is that we'll figure out whether we get any law or order on here. But it looks to me that if you want a country left, you better get some law and order going. And you better stick up for it because you can make a million excuses out here, but the bottom line is that now you get Trump in the middle of the Justice Department, you get Barr changing the rules, and we'll see where this is going to shake out. But the guy just resigned instead of basically taking orders for less time. 877-927-6648. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be riding the wave with our man, Mr. Basil Chapman. He's coming back right now. He's going to be doing a workshop for his subscribers Thursday night. Check it out right in the front page of TFNN. We're coming right back.